Hey Arnie, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out. Janessa spoke with the office the other day, promised this free video. So here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you a couple of tips you guys could do to increase your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. Looking at your site, you guys are doing a really good job in a lot of things. Your site's really well put together. It looks fantastic. There's not too much here in terms of aesthetics that I would definitely change. I would say that there's not a ton of content here, and content is important for a couple of reasons. The first is content is a ranking factor, so it's one of the reasons why you see sites like Wikipedia and Yelp do so well. They have a ton of content, so content definitely super important, and it also is a big factor for being found for keywords. And you are being found for a ton of keywords. You're being found for 327 and you're really high on quite a bit of keywords, right? McAllen Roofing, Roofing McAllen Texas, Roofing Companies McAllen Texas, which is a really good buyer intent keyword. But say I wanted to be found for Roofing Companies McAllen Texas, right? Which you are, you're in the sixth spot. But where you have that keyword sometimes comes into play as well. So I would potentially have that as a heading. I would have it somewhere within my content. I would also probably save a image as that keyword. And what happens is when Google crawls your site, they see that you have that keyword within your content. These headings are really important because it's kind of like an outline, right? When you were in high school or college, those headings really showcase what that next section is going to be on, and having your keyword within the content really helps in Google, acknowledging that, and it potentially can bump you up a little bit, and maybe you go from the sixth spot up higher. So definitely would really focus on potentially moving a few things around with those keywords, but you are doing really well in that aspect. So that would be my first tip, is just to kind of add those buyer specific keywords throughout your content and maybe add a little bit more of it. My second tip would revolve around this Google business profile. So these are really important actually as a way to bring traffic to your site, and they really work hand in hand with your website if done correctly. And the first thing to do to really build this up is to add reviews. So you have a 4.1 review, which is a little bit lower than you'd like. You'd like it in closer to 5. The more 5-star reviews you can get, the better. Google really thinks that validates you as a company and the quality that you're putting out, and they really take stock in that, and it's important for your ranking. There's a lot of ways in which to do that. Feel free at the end, when I give you your contact information, to reach out. I'd be happy to show you what to do. You're also being shown as a roofing supply store, so that probably needs to change, because I'm sure you're getting calls for stuff that you probably don't want or need. People who are wanting to do it themselves. So that probably should change. All this information here needs to be consistent throughout the web. So if you have a Yelp page and your website, and say, for instance, your hours were different on the website or on your Yelp page, Google doesn't like that inconsistency. They want to see transparency and consistency throughout the web. So, having all this information consistent, really important. And then save photos as specific keywords and geotag them. So again, if we're looking to rank for Roofing Companies McAllen Texas, I would save a photo as that keyword, and then I would probably geotag it as one of these roofs. And it really helps in building up the strength of your site and showing Google where you work and how often, and they can start ballooning that search parameter area up, and you'll start growing over time. So really important for the strength of your Google business profile to get that done. And obviously there's quite a few more things that you can do, but those are 3 things that are pretty simple. And the reason why this is important is because everybody searches differently, right? Some people click on the first thing they see, which is a great reason to run ads. Others, come down to what we call this map pack. these top 3 Google business profiles, and they could pull up to 40% of the traffic, which, if we're talking 150 search volume a keyword, we're talking 60 searches a month go right out the door going to these top 3 Google My Business listings. And I, in fact, have seen them outdo the organics, which, could be more than 40%. So if you're running an ad and you're first here and you're first organically, you're going to pull as much traffic as you possibly can. Last but not least, just to continue to build and grow the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains and backlinks that send power to your site. So, the ones that send power are do follow. You do want a mix of no follow and do follow. Really important to have a majority of do follow to send power. And what you'll see is this continue to grow and build. And this 30 is pretty good. 16 is actually pretty good here too, but you really want a 1-to-1 ratio. And just to show you what that looks like, this is McAllen Valley, and you see they almost have that 1-to-1 ratio. They are stronger than you. They have 152 referring domains versus 828 backlinks. And, I think you guys had 51 or 51 do follow links. They have 95. So a little bit stronger, and they're getting a little bit more traffic, like almost 3 times as much traffic, but you are doing really well. So, whoever is doing your Google or your website and your SEO is doing a pretty good job. Just continue to build and grow this up and really focus on the Google business profile, because you're missing out on a lot of traffic here by not having this Google business profile optimized and running well. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, would like to know more. My contact information is in my email. I also have a link to our Google Calendar where you can schedule some time on whenever fits you to speak with myself or my business partner Jackie. One of us will give you a call and talk to you at whatever time works for you. So again, have a great day and God bless.